Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I will explain you 20 basic Excel shortcuts for beginners. So these are the shortcuts that I will explain you one by one. Just stay until the end of the video so you will know and understand all these shortcuts in very good manner. So let's get started. The first shortcut that we have in this list, that is Ctrl plus C. Ctrl plus C means copy. Okay, for which cells you select, you will copy those cells. For example, you want to copy these cells. Press Ctrl plus C, so it will copy these cells. After copying these cells, we have the second shortcut key, which is Ctrl plus V. Ctrl plus V means to paste whatever you copied. So now we copied these selected cells. Now we want to paste them somewhere. So we will use Ctrl plus V. So let's, for example, I want to paste them here. So press Ctrl plus V. So it will paste those cells. Whatever cells you were selected, so it will paste those cells. The third shortcut key is Ctrl plus X. Ctrl plus X means to cut something. The Ctrl C was to copy something. Ctrl X means to cut something. For example, let's select these and press Ctrl plus X. So it will cut these cells. Whenever it cut these cells, now you want to paste it somewhere else. So again, we will use Ctrl plus V. So let's, for example, from this place, we cut these cells and we want to paste them here. So we will press Ctrl plus V. So it will place those text now here. So this was the difference between Ctrl C plus Ctrl X. The fourth shortcut key is Ctrl plus Z. Ctrl plus Z means to undo something. Before we did Ctrl V, it means pasted something. Now we want to undo this. Okay, we don't want this. So we will press Ctrl plus Z, Ctrl plus Z. Okay, so let's press Ctrl plus Z. So look at it, but back move to the previous stage. It means we undo that previous action. So another shortcut key is Ctrl plus Y. Ctrl plus Y means to redo that. Before we pasted that here, this data here, and we undo that. Now we want to redo, to move back to that stage. So we will press Ctrl plus Y. So look at it, moved back to that stage. It means we redo that action. Another shortcut key is Ctrl plus S. Ctrl plus S is used to save this file, this workbook. Whenever we press Ctrl plus S, so it will save this file. And let's move to another, which is Ctrl plus P. Ctrl plus P is used to print this workbook. For example, you want to print this file, so we will use the Ctrl plus P. Let's press Ctrl plus P, so it will open the print section for you, so you can print this and use your printer. Now let's come here to the Ctrl plus A, which is used to select all cells. If you are in a range, so it will select this range cells. If you are in a sheet, so it will select all the sheets. For example, we are right now in this range. So if we press Ctrl plus A, so it will select this range. If we are in a sheet, for example, no range, so then it will select the whole sheet for us. So this was the task of Ctrl plus A. Now Ctrl plus B is used to bold something. For example, this text is right now bold, already bold. If you press Ctrl B, it will unbold this. Look at unbold, again press that, bold again. And Ctrl plus I is used to italic some text. For example, this, let's press Ctrl plus I, so it will italic this text. Ctrl plus U is used to underline some text. Let's, for example, this one, let's press Ctrl U, so it will underline this text. Ctrl plus F is used to find something. For example, I want to find something in this sheet, so let's press Ctrl plus F. So whatever you want to find, for example, let's write laptop and press find next. So it will look at find. If you press find all, so it will select all of these. Look at in which cells they are located, so you can select, for example, this one, so it moved directly to that one. Ctrl plus H is used to replace something. For example, you want to replace the laptop on, for example, on desktop. So for that, we will press Ctrl plus H. After pressing that, look at, we have selected laptop here, and we would like to replace it by desktop. So you can select one by one, replace one by one, or replace all to replace all. For example, let's press all. So all are replaced by desktop. Look at desktop. Wherever was the laptop, so that has been replaced by desktop. Ctrl plus N is used to open a new workbook. Let's, for example, press Ctrl plus N. So it will open a new workbook for us. This is a new workbook Excel file with us. Ctrl plus O is used to open a workbook. For example, press Ctrl plus O, you can open a workbook. You can browse it from your PC or per cloud, wherever is that, so you can open that workbook. Ctrl plus arrow is used to move to the edge of the data. For example, right now we are in this range. So if I am here, if I use Ctrl plus arrow key, so I will move to one to the right, left, or top or bottom sides. For example, if you press Ctrl plus left right arrow key, so it will come here because this is the edge of the data. Ctrl right arrow key, we come here. If you press now Ctrl plus left arrow key, so it will come directly to this left side. Look at, if you press Ctrl plus top, it will move to the top. Ctrl plus down, so it will move to the edge of the data. But if you are in a range, for example, here you are here, Ctrl right, Ctrl down, top, left, like this. But if you are in the sheet, for example, here, so whenever you press Ctrl plus right, so it will move to the last cell, last column of the data. Look at, we move to the last column of Excel sheet. Ctrl plus left back, move to the top to the first column back. So Alt plus equal is used to sum. Okay, auto sum the value, the data. For example, come here to this data sheet. You want to auto sum all this data, total amount. Okay, so here we simple, instead of using sum function, we are using Alt plus equal. So look at, it will sum all this data which are in these rows. So it will sum. This is the result, 29,610. So this is the result. You can just use for this one also. For example, Alt plus equal. So this is the total 81. Ctrl plus Shift plus L is used to apply or remove filter. For example, on this data sheet, we would like to remove. Right now, the filter is turned on this data sheet, so we want to remove that. So Ctrl plus Shift plus L. So look at, the filter has been removed. Let's add that, Ctrl plus Shift plus L. So the filter has been added. So this was the task functionality of Ctrl plus Shift plus L. Ctrl plus 1 is used to open format cell. For example, you want to format this cell, so Ctrl plus 1. So it will open this format cell, so you can format whatever you want, border, field, or number, whatever is okay. So you can apply editing on this cell. The last one, the last shortcut key is F2. F2 is used to enable editing. For example, you want to edit this cell, press press F2, so it will directly come to the edit mode. Like here, F2, you can directly edit that cell like this. So it was all about these 20 basic shortcut keys. So if you learned something, like this video, comment down, and also subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.